In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort emails by subject in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know 2 simple ways to reorder your messages so you can quickly scan topics alphabetically, whether you're in your inbox, sent items, or any other folder. This doesn't change or move any emails. It only changes how they're displayed in the list, and it applies to the folder you're currently viewing. Start by opening Outlook and navigating to the folder you want to sort, like Inbox or Sent Items. In the message list, look along the top row where you see column headers such as From, Received, and Subject. Find the Subject column header. This header is your quickest sorting control. Click the word Subject once. That first click sorts your emails in ascending order, A to Z. Subjects that start with symbols or numbers may appear before A, and keep in mind that prefixes like RE or FWD are part of the subject line, so they'll influence where a message lands in the list. If you want the reverse order, click Subject again. That second click toggles to descending, Z to A. You can click as often as you like to switch back and forth, which is handy when you're scanning for a particular topic that starts near the end of the alphabet. If you prefer a more controlled approach, or if your view looks different and you want to confirm exactly